How can I report spam messages on Messenger?
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to report spam messages on Messenger. Reporting spam is an important step to help keep your Messenger inbox clean and free from unwanted messages. So, let's get started.
Identifying spam messages.
The first step in reporting spam messages is to identify them correctly. Spam messages can be defined as unsolicited or unwanted messages that are sent in bulk, often with the intention of promoting products, services, or misleading content. These messages can come from unknown contacts or even from contacts you know, but the content is suspicious or irrelevant to your conversation.
Reporting a spam message.
Now that we know what spam messages are, let's learn how to report them. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Messenger app on your mobile device. 2. Locate the spam message in your inbox. It might be in a conversation thread or separate message request. 3. Tap and hold on the spam message to reveal a list of options. 4. From the options, select Report to report the message as spam.
Additional reporting options.
In some cases, you may want to take further action beyond reporting the spam message. Messenger provides additional reporting options for such situations. Here are a few scenarios and the steps to follow. Reporting spam from an unknown contact. 1. If the spam message is from an unknown contact, you can choose to block the person. This will prevent them from contacting you in the future. 2. To block the contact, tap on their profile picture within the conversation. 3. On the contact's profile page, scroll down and select Block. Confirm your action when prompted. Reporting spam from a known contact. 1. If the spam message is from a known contact, you can choose to report and block the person. This helps protect yourself and others from potential scams or unwanted messages. 2. Open the conversation with the known contact who sent the spam message. 3. Tap on the contact's name at the top of the conversation. 4. On the contact's profile page, scroll down and select Something's Wrong. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to report the spam message and choose the appropriate reason. Congratulations! You now know how to report spam messages on Messenger. Remember, reporting spam is essential to maintain a safe and enjoyable messaging experience. If you come across any suspicious messages, make sure to take action and report them promptly. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging!